Sell put options on Moomoo. Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to sell put options on Moomoo. So let's get started. Step number 1, open the stock page. For this, go to your watch list and select the stock you want. Tap options, then chain at the top. After that, filter for put option. For this, tap call or put and choose put. Select the expiration date you prefer and review option details. Blue rows states that in the money, white row says out of the money. Swipe left right to see open interest, volume and implied volatility. Then select a put contract, tap the specific contract, choose sell, enter number of contracts, order type and time in force. Then tap place order to confirm. After that, explore advanced strategies. Tap strategy to try protective put spreads, straddles or strangles, but this is an optional feature, and that's all. That's how you will be able to sell put options on Moomoo.